Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable restrict stories in Today on the News app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on News. Next, scroll down to the News Settings section and then tap on Restrict Stories in Today. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And set here, turning on these settings will limit the stories shown in Today. Top stories, trending stories, and feature stories will be removed. So if you are sure, you can tap on the Turn On button. Otherwise, we can turn off the restriction by tapping on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.